In today's video, we're going to look at how to build a web scraping automation. But firstly, let's look at what web scraping even is, right? So web scraping is the process of automatically collecting information from websites, right? And the purpose for it can be obviously market research, price comparison, academic research, news aggregation, lead generation, blah, 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 blah. So these are all the use cases. You can either use it yourself or you can pitch it to someone, right? In my school community, I teach you exactly how to build out every automation. We have all of the templates here, including this one. Basically, what I teach here is the basics of AI automation all the way to the advanced AI systems and obviously how to sell. So if you want that, right now we're running a free trial, so you can click down below in the description and join. Okay, so firstly we're going to import the automation. How do you do that? You click here, you go import the blueprint, and after you have downloaded inside the resource vault, you will just click JSON blueprint, and here you will see it in your files, or you can obviously go here. So once you've done that, you just click import blueprint. Once you have the automation, you can either choose to use Claude or GPT. I'm using GPT because I have the credits there already loaded up. If you have API credits in Claude, you can obviously use that. That's why it's here, but we're not going to use it. And let's actually go over what this automation is, because if you just import it, right, you can do that if you're inside the school community. If you're not, let's actually build it. And that way you will understand it the best. Firstly, we need an HTTP module. We're going to set it to get, and authentication type is going to be no auth, and the URL is going to be the website you want to actually scrape. When I'm doing this video, I also thought of, you could genuinely download like 50 websites, right? Put them into a Google Sheet, and just here you would have like a variable with all the websites, and you could scrape 50 at once. That's not needed right now. This is a simple version, so let's just get it like this. But if you're inside the school community, I'm probably gonna make an extra lesson on that. Anyways, we're going to hit save, and that's all for the HTTP module. Then we need an HTML to text module, extract website. This is how I named it. Here you basically just put the HTML data, which is from the web scraper, from the HTTP module, and we're just going to convert it to text. Now we're in the core of the automation, which is the prompt, right? So you can read it, you can copy it. Obviously, if you upload the automation, the prompt is going to be here. Only thing you need to do is just the connections, so don't worry about anything. And this basically says that here's a text prompt to extract the latest blog post and make it basically into titles and excerpts from the given HTML as a JSON, right? Then it goes on to identify the titles and the excerpts, compile the extracted data into a JSON object with keys, title, and excerpt for each article example output. Here is the data, boom. And that's basically it. So you save it. Now we need to parse the JSON. So we're going to go here into the JSON string, add our result from the GPT. We're going to hit save. Now what you need to do here is you need to go with the search by path, my drive. Now you need to obviously find the web sheet name, sheet 1, and everything leave like this. And here you will add the article title and article excerpt. If you don't have this here, you need to just run the automation first, so you load up the variables basically. Otherwise, make.com will obviously not know what will happen next. This all is from running the automations, right? So if you run it once, you will have all of these variables set, and you just hit save. And now let's actually test it. Let me show you the Google Sheet. You see there's nothing. It's called web scraping. And now if we hit run once, it's finding the information. Now it's going into the GPT prompt, which is going to create the whole JSON format. And then it's going to parse the JSON and load it up into our Google Sheet. It's going to take a while. Probably it takes between 10 seconds to 1 minute to run this once. And boom, we have it. So we can see that we have basically uploaded the data. We even see the spreadsheet ID. If we cannot find it, we'll just copy this, but we have it here, and boom. We can see that we have the key. We have it like this. I haven't formatted it yet, but it's fine, just to showcase you. Basically what you want to do is something like this, right? So the iKey Premier, a keyless ignition upgrade that respects your classic car owners live in a constant tension, blah blah blah, right? So you have successfully web scraped one page, and no, so we have successfully basically gathered info, which is exactly web scraping from one page. This page was something about BMW, and in the next videos we're going to look into more advanced automations. And as I said, if you're just starting, go hit that free trial in my school community, and basically we're going to take care of the rest. This is a proven method of how to actually learn AI automation, and don't get scared with this how to sell. If you just want to learn, that's why I basically created a whole different course here on how to sell and not incorporate it inside the other courses, right? Because if you just want to learn it for yourself and you don't want to sell and make money with it, you want to just use it in your own business, you can go that. You can go that way too. These courses are basically made for everyone. So see you inside Future Minds AI, and bye bye.